Hey everyone, welcome to week 9. We are starting to get underway in our new argument unit. So we will be doing a little bit of writing this week and learning how to do some summary writing. So let's get started to see what we've got for our Never a Day Without a Line Writer's Notebook Daily Writing. So this week we will be doing our hot dog argument. I promise. I'm sorry that I revised everything and then didn't revise this part last week. You're also going to be doing a nice brainstorm of anything you're interested in writing for your formal argument. This should be a free write. You should be listing every single thing that you might want to be thinking about and writing about. So you should have lots and lots of options. Then last week you did a little bit of an analysis of a commercial and an analysis of a joke. This week you're going to choose your own commercial and your own joke to write about. So it's going to be the same procedure, same thing, just your choice of what you want to write about. And then of course you have a choice. You can do whatever you want, whatever you want to try. So those are your prompts for this week. And let's see what we're doing on Monday. On Monday you are going to begin looking at an assignment in the writer's practice called What Do They Mean? And this is an argument summary and response. So before you start writing that assignment, you're going to do a voice thread on writing a summary. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to read this in the writer's practice. You're going to read those pages. And then you are going to practice writing a summary, and you're going to practice writing that summary with this article, Trust Science. Okay, so those are the two things that you're going to be doing. You're going to be reading about this assignment, and then you're going to be practicing writing a summary during this voice thread. So this voice thread is going to take you through all the steps. It's going to give you time to write. So you're going to want to spend a chunk of your time with this voice thread, okay? That will take you through all of the instruction. Then on Tuesday, you are going to have a reflection paper that's going to be due. And remember that you have 3 parts now. You're going to be doing a tiny reflection about what you think about the text, and then you're going to be doing a read like a writer, where you're looking for 6 traits, any craft things, what the claim is and how you know it's the claim, and then you're also going to do the worksheet that is the argument analysis. So those are the 3 things you're going to be doing, and you're going to be doing it with this article called Don't Believe in God, Lie to Your Children. So that is your Tuesday reading and thinking about argument. Then on Wednesday you have a quiz. So there are a few pages in the writer's practice that you're going to be reading, and the section is called The Perils of Objectivity, and you're going to be taking a little quiz on that. And then you're going to go back to that discussion board of powerful arguments where you posted a brilliant argument to that discussion board this week. You're going to go back and you're going to read one argument, and you're going to do that as a read like a writer, and then you're going to do a reply to that argument. And I think I forgot to mention, and so we're going to go back to Monday here, this What Do They Mean? You are going to be using that argument. So the argument that you posted to the powerful argument discussion board, that is the article that you're going to be using for this assignment. All right, this article is going to go with the summary, writing a summary voice thread, but you are going to be summarizing for your assignment your powerful argument that you posted. Does that make sense? So you don't have to go and search for another argument. You can just use the one that you already found. Okay, so that is Wednesday, is that you're going to start on this powerful argument thing. And I wanted you to know, Wednesday you're going to go and read another article and respond, read like a writer. Okay? Then on Thursday, you are going to be zeroing in on what do they mean, the summarizing of the article that you posted to the powerful argument discussion board. So I want you to know that during class this week, on Monday and Tuesday, we will be talking about what do they mean a little bit, making sure you understand the directions, and then we'll be doing other things. And then on Wednesday and Thursday, you are going to be getting into peer review groups and looking at each other's summaries, so you can talk to each other and give each other advice about your summaries. And then your summary, what do they mean, assignment, is due on Friday at 8 a.m. So on Thursday is going to be the day that you're going to take a look at your summary, make sure it's perfect, make sure it's in the right format with MLA, make sure you have a good citation that's also in the right format, and then you're going to hand that in on Friday morning. And then of course on Friday, the only thing that you have to do is your last prompt for Never a Day Without a Line, your writer's notebook, daily writing. So I hope that I was clear about which article you're going to be spending the most time with this week, and that is the one that you posted to the powerful argument discussion board. You will be doing the what do they mean assignment with that article. You will also be reading somebody else's article, so you're going to be on that discussion board replying to another person's powerful argument, and then you're going to be learning how to write a summary. So that in a nutshell is our week. I'm sure it's going to be awesome. Let me know if you have questions. You may email me, and have a lovely, lovely week.